Let's start this lesson with a quick recap of the words and phrases that we learnt in the last lesson. How do you say in French a leek? Un poireau. What are the 3 ways to say the? Le, la, and les. What are the 3 ways to say my? Mon, ma, and mes. How do you say or not? Ne sont pas. A carrot. Une carotte. And. Hey. The food. La nourriture. Are. Son. Also. Aussi. Now, the previous lesson was rather intense, what with all the masculine, feminine, singular and plural rules. Therefore, I'm going to make this lesson a little less taxing. I'll call it the greetings lesson, and you'll soon see why. Here's your first word for this lesson. Salut. Salut. It means hi. Salut. So how would you say in French, hi, I'd like a coffee, please? Salut, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Salut, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Hi, a tea for me, please. Salut, un thé pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Salut, un thé pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Hi, the pizza for me and the chicken for him, please. Salut, la pizza pour moi et le poulet pour lui, s'il vous plaît. Salut, la pizza pour moi et le poulet pour lui, s'il vous plaît. Here's your next greetings-based word. Bonjour. Bonjour. It means hello. If you break it down, you have bon, which means good, and jour means day. So literally, bonjour means good day. And you can use it to mean good day as well as hello. In fact, bonjour is quite a versatile word because you can also use it to mean good morning and good afternoon. So you can use bonjour in the morning, at noon, in the afternoon, to mean hello, good morning, good day, or good afternoon. Bonjour. So it's probably the most common greetings word you'll hear in France. How would you say, hello, 2 coffees, please? Bonjour, 2 cafés, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, 2 cafés, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I'd like a table for 2, please. Bonjour, je voudrais une table pour 2, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je voudrais une table pour 2, s'il vous plaît. Good morning. Bonjour. Bonjour. This next word is a nice little word. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. And it means good evening. Bonsoir. You can use bonsoir when you're arriving somewhere to say good evening, or if you see somebody in the street to say good evening, or even to say good evening when you're leaving somewhere. So you can say bonsoir when you're leaving a restaurant, for example, to say good evening. Bonsoir. So how would you say, "Good evening, I'd like a table for 3 people, please"? Bonsoir. Je voudrais une table pour 3 personnes, s'il vous plaît. Bonsoir. Je voudrais une table pour 3 personnes, s'il vous plaît. Good evening. 2 teas, please. Bonsoir. Dictez, s'il vous plaît. Bonsoir. Dictez, s'il vous plaît. So we've had so far salut, which means hi, bonjour, which means hello, good day, good morning, or good afternoon, and bonsoir, which means good evening. So how would you say in French, "Good evening, I would like a pizza, please"? Bonsoir, je voudrais une pizza, s'il vous plaît. Bonsoir, je voudrais une pizza, s'il vous plaît. Your next greetings word is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, which means good night. Bonne nuit. And here's another word that goes nicely with good night. Au revoir. Au revoir, which means goodbye. Au revoir. So how would you say in French goodbye and good night? Au revoir et bonne nuit. Au revoir et bonne nuit. This next phrase, bonne journée, means have a good day. Bonne journée. Now the word journée looks similar to the English word journey. It doesn't mean journey, but the two words are related. We actually get our word journey from the French word journée. The literal meaning of journée is the whole day, and in the olden days, journeys used to take the whole day in horse and carts, so that's why we call them journeys. It is literally a trip that takes the whole day. So, bonne journée means have a good day. Literally, you're wishing someone the entire day to be good. So how would you say in French, goodbye and have a good day? Au revoir et bonne journée. Au revoir et bonne journée. Here's a phrase that's similar to bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. This one means have a good evening. So soir is evening. Soirée literally means the whole evening. So bonne soirée means I hope your whole evening is good. But in English we can say have a good evening. So how would you say in French goodbye and have a good evening? Au revoir et bonne soirée. Au revoir et bonne soirée.